Let us begin by understanding a fundamental truth. The world you experience is a reflection of your inner state. Every circumstance, every person, every event you encounter in your daily life is but a mirror showing you the contents of your own consciousness. This understanding is the foundation upon which we shall build our practice of maintaining calm and positivity. You see, my dear friends, most people live their lives believing that external circumstances dictate their inner. They allow the ups and downs of life to toss them about like a leaf in the wind, reacting to each event as though they were powerless to choose their response. But I say to you, this is a grand illusion, a dream from which it is time to awaken. The truth is, you are the operant power in your world. You are not at the mercy of circumstances, but rather circumstances are at the mercy of your consciousness. When you truly grasp this truth, you will understand that staying calm and positive is not about controlling the external world, but about mastering your inner world. Now you might be thinking, but Neville, how can I stay calm when faced with difficult situations? How can I remain positive when life seems to be falling apart around me? These are valid questions, and I assure you, the answers lie within you. Consider for a moment the last time you were dreaming. In that dream, you likely experienced a range of emotions, perhaps fear, anger, or excitement. These emotions felt real and valid in the context of the dream. But upon waking, you realized that the entire experience, including your emotional reactions, was created by your own mind. In the same way, the waking world you experience is a kind of dream projected by your consciousness. The emotions you feel, the reactions you have to events, are not caused by the events themselves, but by your interpretation of those events. And just as you can wake up from a nighttime dream, you can awaken to the truth of your being and choose your emotional state regardless of external circumstances. This, my friends, is the key to staying calm and positive in life. It is the recognition that you are not your thoughts, not your emotions, not the circumstances of your life. You are the awareness behind all of these things, the unchanging observer that remains constant amidst the ever-changing panorama of life. When you identify with this awareness rather than with the contents of your consciousness, you gain a profound sense of peace. From this place of peace, you can choose how to respond to life rather than merely reacting based on conditioned patterns. But how, you may ask, does one achieve this state of awareness? How does one maintain it in the face of life's challenges? The answer lies in the practice of what I call the law of assumption. The law of assumption states that if you assume a certain state to be true, it must be made manifest in your experience. This is not mere positive thinking or wishful daydreaming. It is a fundamental law of consciousness that is real and immutable as the real of gravity. To stay calm and positive, therefore, you must assume the state of calmness, activity. You must live from the end, experiencing in your imagination the peace and joy you desire as though it were already your reality. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself as a being of perfect calm and positivity. See yourself moving through your day with an unshakable sense of peace, meeting each situation with grace and ease. Feel the emotions associated with this state, the serenity, the joy, the confidence. Make this imaginal experience as vivid and real as possible. Now open your eyes. The world around you may appear unchanged, but I assure you, a profound shift has occurred within you. You have planted a seed in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind, and from this seed a new reality will grow. But remember, my dear friends, this is not a one-time exercise. Just as you would not expect to build physical strength by lifting weights and then stopping, you cannot expect to maintain calm and impossibly without consistent practice. Each day, take time to enter this state of perfect calm and positivity in your imagination. Do this upon waking and before sleeping, and whenever you can throughout your day. As you persist in this practice, you will find that it becomes easier and more natural to maintain this state, even in the face of challenging circumstances. Now, some of you may be thinking, but Neville, what about when really difficult situations arise? How can I possibly stay calm and positive then? Through this, I say it is precisely in these moments that your practice is most crucial. When faced with challenging circumstances, remind yourself this too is part of the dream. I am the dreamer, and I have the power to dream a new dream. Take a moment to step back from the situation and observe it as though you were watching a movie. Remember that you are not the character in the movie, but the awareness watching the movie unfold. From this place of detached awareness, you can choose how to respond. You can choose to remain calm, to seek the lesson or indecision, to respond with love and understanding rather than fear or anger. This does not mean denying or suppressing your emotions. If feelings of fear, anger, or sadness arise, acknowledge them. Observe them with curiosity and compassion. But remember, you are not these emotions. You are the awareness that perceives them. As you practice this, you will find that emotions lose their power to overwhelm you. They become like clouds passing through the vast sky of your consciousness, present for a time, but able to disturb your underlying peace. Let us delve deeper into this practice of maintaining calm and positivity. It begins with self-awareness. You must become acutely conscious of your thoughts, your emotional reactions, your habitual patterns of response to situations. Observe these without judgment, as a scientist might observe a phenomenon. As you develop this self-awareness, you will begin to notice the thoughts and beliefs that disturb your peace and positivity. Perhaps you have a habit of imagining worst-case scenarios. Perhaps you tend to take things personally or to assume negative intentions in others. Whatever patterns you discover, remember, these are not who you are. They are simply habits of mind that you have developed over time. And like any habit, they can be changed. When you catch yourself engaging in thoughts or reactions that disturb your peace, gently redirect your attention. Instead of fighting against the negative thought, simply choose to focus on its opposite. If you find yourself worrying about the future, imagine instead a future filled with joy and success. If you find yourself criticizing yourself or others, redirect your mind to thoughts of love and appreciation. This practice of mental diet is crucial to maintaining calm and positivity. Just as you are careful about what you put into your physical body, be mindful of what you allow into your mental and emotional body. Choose thoughts, images, and experiences that nourish your desired state of being. Remember, my friends, every thought you think, every emotion you feel, is creating your future experience. Choose wisely, feed your mind with uplifting ideas, surround yourself with positive influences, engage in activities that bring you joy and peace. But what about the challenges that life inevitably brings? How can we maintain calm and positivity in the face of loss, failure, or disappointment? The answer lies in a shift of perspective. Consider this. Every challenge, every setback, every apparent failure, an opportunity for growth and transformation. When you approach life's difficulties with this mindset, you no longer see them as threats to your peace and positivity, but as invitations to evolve into a higher version of yourself. When faced with a challenging situation, ask yourself, what is this situation trying to teach us? How can I use this experience to become stronger, wiser, more compassionate? By reframing challenges in this way, you transform them from sources of stress and negativity into catalysts for personal growth. Moreover, remember that your perception of any situation is just that, a perception. It is not an absolute truth, but an interpretation based on your beliefs and past experiences. And if your perception is creating stress or negativity, you have the power to change it. Neville Goddard once said that if you judge after appearances, you will continue to be enslaved by the evidence of your senses. This is a profound truth. To maintain calm and positivity, you must learn to look beyond appearances, to see the infinite possibilities that exist in any situation. No matter how dire a situation may appear, there is always another way of seeing it. There is always a perspective from which it can be viewed as a blessing, an opportunity, or a necessary step on your path of growth. Your task is to find that perspective and to live from it. This brings us to another crucial aspect of maintaining calm and positivity, the power of gratitude. Gratitude is not merely a sentiment. It is a creative force that has the power to transform your entire experience of life. When you cultivate an attitude of gratitude, you shift your focus from what is lacking in your life to the abundance that is already present. This shift in focus changes your entire vibration, aligning you with more experiences to be grateful for. Make it a daily practice to count your blessings. Each morning upon waking and each night before sleeping, take a few moments to reflect on all that you have to be thankful for. Include not only the obvious blessings, but also the challenges that have helped you grow, the lessons you have learned, even the mistakes that have led you to greater wisdom. As you persist in this practice, you will find that your baseline state becomes one of appreciation and contentment. From this state, it becomes much easier to maintain calm and positivity, even in the face of life's ups and downs. Now let us address a question that may be arising in your minds. But Neville, what about when I'm dealing with physical pain or illness? How can I stay calm and positive then? This is a profound question, and one that touches on the very nature of our being. Remember, you are not your body. You are consciousness, pure awareness, temporarily expressing itself through a physical form. Your body may experience pain or illness, but you, the true you, remains untouched by these physical conditions. When dealing with physical discomfort, practice shifting your identification from the body to awareness itself. Observe the sensations in your body as though you were a scientist studying a phenomenon. Notice the qualities of the sensation, its location, intensity, texture, without judgment or resistance. As you do this, you may find that the sensation begins to change or dissolve. Even if it doesn't, you will likely experience a sense of spaciousness around the discomfort, a realization that you are more than this temporary physical experience. Moreover, use your imagination to see and feel yourself in a state of perfect health and vitality. Remember, your body is constantly renewing itself, guided by the blueprint in your consciousness. By consistently imagining and feeling the state of health, you impress this pattern upon your subconscious mind, which then works to bring it into physical manifestation. This practice of using imagination to create desired states brings us to another powerful tool for maintaining calm and positivity: visualization. Your imagination is not mere fantasy. It is the creative power of the universe expressing itself through you. What you vividly imagine and feel as real must ultimately be expressed in your physical experience. Take time each day to visualize your ideal life. See yourself moving through a day with unshakable calm and boundless positivity. Imagine yourself responding to challenges with grace and ease, radiating love and joy to all you encounter. Feel the emotions associated with living this ideal life, the peace, the confidence, the deep sense of fulfillment. As you engage in this practice, you are not merely daydreaming. You are actively shaping your future experience. For remember, the subconscious mind does not distinguish between what is vividly imagined and what is physically experienced. Both create the same neural pathways, the same emotional responses, and ultimately the same results in your life. But visualization alone is not enough. To truly maintain calm and positivity, you must embody these states in your daily life. This means aligning your thoughts, words, and actions with the calm and positive person you wish to be. Watch your talk. The words you speak to yourself have immense power. Replace negative self-talk with affirming, empowering statements. Instead of saying, "This is too difficult," instead say, "I have the strength and wisdom to handle this." Instead of "I'm so stressed," say, "Choose to remain calm and centered." Moreover, pay attention to your posture and breathing. Your physical state profoundly affects your mental and emotional state. Stand tall, breathe deeply, move with purpose and grace. Embody the calm and positive person you are becoming. Remember, my dear friends, you are always performing on the stage of life. Every moment is an opportunity to practice being the person you wish to become. As you consistently embody the state of calm and positivity, you will find that it becomes your natural way of being. Now let us address another important aspect of maintaining calm and positivity: the company you keep. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your state of being. Their energy, their attitudes, their beliefs all influence your own. Choose wisely the company you keep. Seek out those who uplift and inspire you, those who support your growth and believe in your potential. Limit your exposure to negativity and drama, whether it comes from individuals in your life or from media sources. This does not mean avoiding all challenging interactions or isolating yourself from the world. Rather, it means being intentional about the energy you allow into your life. When you must interact with those who are negative or draining, practice compassion and understanding, but do not allow their state to disturb your own inner peace. Remember, you have the power to influence others through your own state of being. By maintaining your calm and positivity, you can uplift those around you, creating a ripple effect of positive energy. As we near the conclusion of our discussion, I want to address a concern that may be arising in some of your minds. You might be thinking, but Neville, isn't it unrealistic to expect to be calm and positive all the time? Isn't it natural to have ups and downs? To this I say, it is not about denying the full range of human experience, but about choosing your dominant state of being. Of course, you will experience a variety of emotions and face challenges in life. The goal is not to suppress these experiences, but to maintain an underlying sense of peace and positivity, regardless of external circumstances. Think of it like the ocean. The surface of the ocean may be turbulent with waves and storms, but the depths remain calm and undisturbed. In the same way, you can experience the full range of human emotions while maintaining a deep, unshakable sense of calm and positivity at your core. Moreover, as you practice maintaining this state, you will find that the ups and downs of life become less extreme. You develop a sort of emotional resilience, able to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and grace. Now, my dear friends, as we come to the end of our time together, I want to leave you with this final thought. The practice of maintaining calm and positivity is not just for your own benefit. As you cultivate these qualities within yourself, you become a beacon of light in the world. In a world that often seems chaotic and negative, your calm and positivity become a powerful force for good. You inspire others by your example. You create an atmosphere of peace wherever you go. You become a living demonstration of the potential that exists within each human being. Remember, we are all one consciousness experiencing itself subjectively. As you transform yourself, you contribute to the transformation of the collective consciousness. Your personal practice of calm and positivity ripples out into the world, touching lives in ways you may never fully comprehend. So I urge you, my friends, to take this practice seriously. Dedicate yourself to cultivating calm and positivity, not just for your own sake, but as a service to all of humanity. For in doing so, you are playing your part in creating a more peaceful, positive world for all. As you go forth from this place, carry with you the knowledge of your future. Remember that you are not your thoughts, not your emotions, not the circumstances of your life. You are pure awareness, the unchanging witness to all of life's experiences. From this awareness, you have the power to choose your state of being in each moment. Choose calm, choose positivity, choose love. For these choices made consistently have the power to transform not only your life, but the entire world. Thank you, my dear friends, for your attention and openness. May you go forth in the knowledge of your own divine nature, creating a life of unshakable calm and boundless positivity. And may your light shine brightly, illuminating the path for all those you encounter.